Today this we are doing this part equal vector. Equal vector, what is the equal vector that you have to understand? Two vectors A and B are said to be equal if they have same magnitude. Magnitude is same and the direction both is same, then it is called a equal vector. Regardless this of the position of their initial point, means we will not check there what are the initial point, and we will not check, we will check only the magnitude and direction. If magnitude and direction is same, that will be equal vector. How we can represent that equal vector? A equal to B, we will write. We will take one example here. You can understand that A is equal to given 2I plus 3j plus 5k, and second vector that B is xi plus yj plus zk. These are equal and you have to find that xyz. How we can find? Look here, these A and B vectors are equal, means we write A equal to, we write place of A we write 2I plus 3j plus 5k, and place of B we write xi plus yj plus zk. And now we will compare the coefficients of I, j, k, we will compare. Now when we compare, we get x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 and z equal to 5. So this type we can find out the value of x, y, z if these two vectors are given equal. Equal means their coefficients of I, j, and k will be equal. Have here negative of a vector. Negative of a vector means a vector whose magnitude is the same as the that of a given vector. Magnitude will be same, but the direction is opposite. What is the change here? The direction will be opposite, will be only. So if a BA is a negative of AB, the BA vector I given you, that is negative of AB, and you can write that BA vector is equal to minus of AB vector. Both is same. All of you understand this? Look here, all of you. We have to do this question. Represent graphically a displacement of 40 kilometer 30 degree east of north. Means how we can draw? Look here. First you have draw the direction north, east, west and south. This you can draw, and then you will take a point P. East of north means that is the north you will take, and from the north you will take the 30 degree in the east side, angle 30 degree you take, and this is 40 kilometers. So here you will take a scale 1 centimeter equal to 10 kilometer, and you will mark here 4 points 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then you mark this P. So this type you can represent this graphically. Okay, all we understand. Classify the following measures as scalar and vector. 10 kg. 10 kg is a scalar quantity because it involves only magnitude. Second is 2 meter northwest is a vector quantity as it involves both magnitude and direction. 40 degree is a scalar quantity as it involves only magnitude. Then 40 watt is a scalar quantity as it involves only magnitude. 10 power minus 19 coulomb is a scalar quantity as it involves only magnitude. 20 meter second square is a vector quantity as it involves magnitude as well as direction. You have to identify here co-initial. Co-initial means here A and D are co-initial because their initial point is same. Next is equal vector. Equal vector means here the both direction and the magnitude both is same, then it is called equal vector. Means here D and B, that both are equal vector we have. Next is collinear but not equal. Collinear but not equal means we will have here A and C vector, both are collinear but not equal because here the direction is not same, so these are not equal. You have to compute the magnitude of the following. Magnitude you can find this A, B and C. So for A vector the magnitude will be look here 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square and root, that is root 3. For B we will have a magnitude is root 2 square plus minus 7 square plus minus 3 square. You will solve here. 49 plus 9 you will get. That sum is 62 you will get. And this third question is given to you that modulus C will be equal to root of 1 upon root 3 square plus 1 upon root 3 square plus minus 1 upon root 3 square. That will be root 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 3. You will add these, you will get 1. So you can find this magnitude. Write two different vector having same magnitude. So look here, A and B are same magnitude. How we can find? Here these numbers coefficients are 1, minus 2 and 3. That you have to interchange only. So you write 2, 1 and minus 3. The sign is not important here. So you find the magnitude of A, that is root 14, and magnitude of B will be also root 14 only. Here A and B, two different vectors having the same magnitude. Look here, write two different vector having the same direction. So P and Q have the same direction. You will multiply this P by 2. You will get a new vector. You can multiply by any number. You will get a new vector, and new vector will be the having the same directions. Positive number you will multiply by any positive numbers. Okay, find the value of x and y so that these vectors are equal. Means these two vectors are equal. Means here x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 you will get. Find scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point is 2, 1 and the second point, terminal point is minus 5, 7. So the vector with the initial point is P2, 1 and terminal point is Q, minus 5, 7 can be given by PQ, and PQ will minus 5 minus 2i and plus 7 minus 1j, and that will be equal to PQ is minus 7i plus 6j. Here required scalar components are minus 7 and 6 and the vector components are minus 7i and 6j you will get. Find a unit vector in the direction of A, I plus j plus 2k. Here the unit vector A cap in the direction of this vector A is given by A cap equal to A vector upon A modulus. A modulus you find first. A modulus you get root 6. So A cap equal to A vector upon A modulus. So I plus j plus 2k upon root 6, and you separate this root 6, you will get this answer. One more question, find a unit vector in the direction of PQ where P and Q are the points 1, 2, 3 and 5, 4, 5, 6 respectively. The given points are P 1, 2, 3 and Q is 4, 5, 6. So PQ you find first. PQ means Q minus P you do. 4 minus 1 iota plus 5 minus 2j plus 6 minus 3k. So you solve, you will get here q equal to root 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square, that you get root 999, and that is get root 27, and that you can write 3 root 3. So hence the unit vector in the direction of PQ is PQ vector upon PQ modulus, that will be 3i plus 3j plus 3k upon 3 root 3. You separate these, so 3 will cancel and 1 you will get final answer 1 upon root 3i plus 1 upon root 3j plus 1 upon root 3k you will get. Find a vector in the direction of 5i minus j plus 2k which has a magnitude 8 in it. Look here, a vector is given to you. A magnitude you will find, that is root 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square, that you get root 30, and that a cap equal to a vector upon a modulus. You will have that a vector you will divide by a modulus, so you will get this answer. Now hence you vector, you have to find a vector in the direction of this vector 5i minus j plus 2k which has magnitude is 8 units. So this vector a cap you will multiply by 8. So 5i minus j plus 2k upon root 30 you will multiply by 8. You will get this answer 40 upon root 30 I cap minus 8 upon root 30 j plus 16 upon root 30 k you get. Thank you.